Hello, my name is Damon Blaylock, and I'm here to talk to you today about the Wesley Virgin Done-For-You Services system. If you've been looking for a great opportunity to make money while you sleep, we hear all the time that a passive income is the best thing to look for in order to get yourself set up in a way that you can build assets and be able to have the sort of life that you desire, to have the mobility and the freedom to move ahead. This is a great system for getting a foothold going into the future of your wealth building. Like I said, it's a program that allows you to earn money while you sleep. This program, the link is down below. If you'll just click the link right below the title of this video, you'll be able to see what it's all about. But as you can see here on the picture that I've included as a picture-in-picture setup here, this is actually Wesley's site that you will arrive at after clicking the link down below, and it will show you a step-by-step process for how to make that kind of money up to $10,000 a month. I don't think anyone would shy away from that sort of opportunity. It's so easy. It's a lot of very simple work because 97% of people who try to work with products, promoting them online with affiliate links, they're doing it all wrong. So this is a way to discover some of the underground techniques that can generate affiliate sales using your social media accounts, which I'm sure you're on all the time, as am I. Instagram, Facebook, just simply by sharing these affiliate links with your audiences on both of those platforms, you can generate that sort of an income every single month. And as I said, then turn that money back around into diversifying and finding other ways of investing and continuing to build your own personal ambitions. You can find out that within this seminar, the webinar I should say, once you click that link and you sign up for one of the streaming webinars, you'll be able to find out how all this works in great detail. But just in brief, basically it will show you how the people that you are marketing for, that you're doing the affiliate marketing for, how they'll do 95% of the work for you. So, and at no cost. Basically, they'll provide you with everything that you need, and then for you, it's just a matter of getting that information out there, powering it out to your various social media platforms, and you can actually make up to a 92% commission, which is unheard of. I know a lot of affiliate marketing programs that I've been involved in the past would give a very healthy 50-50 split, and that seemed fair. But with the way this system is set up, the Done-For-You Services system with Wesley Virgin, we're looking at a 92% commission. So that's a fantastic setup that you can definitely check out. So as I said, on this page here, this woman, this is Wesley's partner, Ariella, and he teamed up with her a while back. She was from New York, and the two of them teamed up, and so now that they work together, helping to push this Done-For-You training. You'll learn how to create your own website. You'll learn how to set that up as a landing page so that you can start to see sales right off the bat, and you'll be able to have a high converting domain to boost your sales instantly. I mean, it's not something that you're going to have to put a lot of time and effort into and then kick back and wait several months to see things trickle in. You'll start to see them right off, and they'll do all the techie stuff for you, which is really nice. They've got the system in place. It's a turnkey operation, and basically you just have to just opt into the system. I'll be upfront with you. It is $850 to take the full training, but once you do that, then you can start to see your first 1,000 roll in right away, and you'll see $1,000 a week initially, and build up from there to that 10,000 that I had mentioned. So anyway, I just wanted to give a very brief overview of this because a friend passed this on to me, and it's been quite mind-blowing to learn about all the things that Wesley and Ariella have put together. It's quite a nice package, and it's something that's helping out. It's not only helping out yourself, through the income that you make, but you're also helping spread the word for these companies and these other individuals, and getting their products and services out there into the world. And this is in no way a pyramid scheme. This is something that has been tried and tested and proven as a model over the course of several years. So Wesley has been building up a lot of opportunity for online marketers. And if you just Google his name, Google his programs, there are a lot of testimonials on YouTube, and you will be able to listen and to feel the sort of the legitimacy that he conveys. You can tell he's a very honest person. He's just very bare bones, no frills. He just he likes to do live videos straight from his apartment. And sometimes his son pops into the room, and it's just very natural. Again, it's a no nonsense program. Everything's ready to roll, so you really don't have anything to lose. The only thing that would be a stumbling block is if you simply don't have the faith or the ambition to get started. It just really takes that moment, bridging that divide between thinking about something, considering it, feeling that gut intuition that yes, this is for me, and then taking the plunge. And taking the plunge, means actively, sticking with it, being disciplined, setting aside a little bit of time every single day towards developing out your goals towards this. And I think the fact that the businesses have done 95% of the work for you before you ever even get started, it makes it an undeniable plus for this sort of industry, and for really for any sort of work, any sort of honest work that you could be doing. This is very clear cut and open, and who would not like to make this kind of money while you're passively sleeping or out seeing the world. Anyway, click the link below, check it out. Just wanted to share this with the world, because it really is making a huge difference in people's lives. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.